Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. The name is Nanayao and I do videos about how to make money online and learn at the same time. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to know anytime I drop videos about how to make money online and then learn at the same time. In this video I have websites or applications, I mean 3 websites or applications to show you which will make you money online by doing surveys or by performing some small tasks, and you would be learning, you would be earning money at the same time. So if you want to know more, please kindly stay tuned. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Okay guys, so welcome back. You are interested in knowing more, that's why you are still here. So with that being said, I'll jump over to my screen and then start showing you the 3 websites. Okay, so the first one that we're going to talk about is called Rewardable. As you can see on my screen, Rewardable. This is really a legit website or applications that pays you to do tasks and some surveys online. So as you can see here, these are the amount of money which has been earned by their users or people who are using this. So how does it work? Actually, let me zoom it. Okay, so you just complete simple tasks. As you can see here, just complete simple tasks. It could be survey, it could be videos, it could be sweep takes, and then many more. And then the second one is you cash out rewards, receive real cash through PayPal. They will be paying you through PayPal, which is our most preferred payment method. And then you can also grow your community status, receive bigger rewards and bonuses as your profile grows. So as it says, grow your community status. It's like being a celebrity. The more population you get or the more followers you get, the more you are going to be discovered or something like that. The more you are going something like that. So when you grow your community status, you are going to be receiving more rewards and then bonuses for your profile growing. And then you can go to Play Store to read some of the reviews about real users. This one says, I was skeptical a free app would actually make me money, but after 2 weeks I've earned $27. I am a believer and will be sharing this with friends as it's a great way to bring in some extra cash. So guys, said this is really legit website or applications, so make sure you take note of that. Rewardable is really legit. So when you are here, all you have to do is you click on the join the app free. So if you click on it, it will take you to the registration page, or it will take you to Google Play Store to do the downloading. So the first one is Rewardable, and then when you are here, it says you can watch videos to earn. You can watch videos to earn, you can complete surveys, and then daily sweepstakes. That's really good. And then you can also give product feedback. Yes, they also have products in there, and then you can go there and then view some of the products and you give them feedback. Hey, this supposed to be put in here, but it was put here. Hey, I don't like the image of this product. Hey, this and this doesn't look well, something like that. You tell them what is wrong with their product or how you feel, what you think. You just give them a feedback, and then you are going to be earning more rewards, something like that. Rewardable, it's really legit, as I've been saying. And then you can also visit their retail stores, and then you can also answer trivias. We all know trivias. When you do that, you can also boost your rewards, and then you earn more money for that. So guys, this is Rewardable. I'll keep this video short, so I'll be talking less about this. All you have to do is you go to rewardable.com, or you go to Rewardable, or you go to Play Store and then you search for Rewardable. You are going to see it, and then you sign up or you register and then use it. Rewardable is legit, as I was saying. So the next website or app that you is called QMe. QMe. QMEE. QMe. It's also a legit one. What you have to do is you share your opinions and then you shop and then search to earn real cash or real rewards. That's really crazy. You earn cash, not swag or points. This pays you real cash. So you can come in here, which is qme.com, and then you sign up and start using it. And it's available on both Android devices and then the iOS devices. And then if you are on PC, you can also install their extension and then you earn more. So earn and save when you shop. So get great money saving coupons and offers for your favorite brands, and then we will help you find the best deals and then save money when shopping online. So this part is for those who like shopping online. You can come to QMe, you sign up with them, and then you are going to get you're going to save a lot of more money when you shop with QMe. It's really legit. And then earn cash with as specially chosen offers, whether you are looking to change your internet provider, buy a new phone, or even start enjoying a weekly meal plan. So with our hand-picked money earners, you will get a free cash rewards at the same time as doing something you were going to do anyway. So this is really crazy. This is really crazy and free money. So guys, make sure you check out QMe. It's really legit. So and when you search on desktop, this is what I was saying. You can install the extension on your desktop computer, and then you are going to earn whilst you search. You are searching something online, like what you used to search. They will not give you a specific something, a specific word or something to search. Just do your searchings and then you'll be earning money for that. So let's read what it got to say. So get the free QMe browser extension and you can earn cash when you search on your favorite sites and engage with your favorite brands. So maybe you just go to your computer and then something was bothering you. You wanted to find out who won 2016 election. So all you have to do is you install the QMe extension, and then after that you do your searching on Google. You just type who won the 2016 election, and then Google will provide their answers, and then QMe will also provide their answers. So when you click on what QMe provided or something like that, you are going to get paid for that. So it's really legit. So make sure you check it out. So go about your daily searching online and earn cash rewards with QMe results. Simply click on the results that interest you to collect rewards in your piggy banks. So that's really legit. So as I said, make sure you go there and then you sign up with them. So these are some of the users reviews. I think this is on Twitter. Follow at QMe to make extra money. So it's really legit. So guys, make sure you check it out. You sign up and then you start using it. QMe, it's really legit. Or go to qme.com and then grab the application and then start using it. So the last but not the least application that we'll be talking about is called I don't know how to pronounce this name. Bituro or something like that. Bituro. So this also earns you rewards and then Bitcoin. So it's also really legit one. So complete simple tasks on your mobile phone, install apps, watch videos, complete surveys, redeem end points for PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum tokens, or gift cards. This is also crazy. Their payment method or their payment options are crazy. Imagine having Bitcoin and then PayPal, Amazon gift cards at the same time. So this is really legit. So make sure you go to their website or the app store and search for it, and then you can also go there and then read more about them. So as I was saying, you just complete simple tasks on your mobile phone. It could be installing of apps, it could be watching of videos, or by then completing of service, and then you are going to earn points, and those points can be redeemed for PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum token, or gift cards. So this one is also available on both Android devices and then iOS devices. So guys, make sure you check it out. It's also legit application or website. So I think you can also invite your friends. Yes, you can also invite your friends and then earn more points as well. So when you are signed up, you can use the invite friends or inviter and invitees, and then you can also earn more points and then cash it out for PayPal or Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, and many more. So they have offers, they have shop, your wallets, invite friends and inviter and invitees, which is really cool. So guys, these are the 3 websites or applications that I would be showing you today. The last one but not the least is called Bituro, and then the second one we did talk about was QMe.com, and then the last or the first one that we also talked about was Rewardable, which is really legit. All of them are legit, so make sure you check them out and then you start using it. If you love it so far, don't forget to hit on the like button and then comment below. If you love it, share this video so that your friends and family will also get it and then start making money online. But then if you are new to this channel, this is what I do every day. My name is Nanayao and I post videos about how to make money online and then learn at the same time. So if you are interested in that, all you have to do is you hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that I will send you notifications anytime I do videos like this and post on YouTube. So guys, this is what I have for you today, and then hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.